Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Anna Devere, Coach Jerry Lee, and Juan Montanero of the Zeus Coffee Thunderbolts who won straight sets against the Capital One Solar Spikers. Coach, congratulations on this win and for Zeus making its first ever semifinals appearance. Anong masasabi mo sa pinarform ng team tonight against Capital One?
Happy, but then may mga next few games pa. So unfortunately, ang format, one loss you're out. So kailangan magandaan.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Anna, with 24 points. For you personally, how happy are you with how Zeus won this game against Capital One?
I'm super happy. I mean, I just think it just shows how we've been doing all season long. It's like everyone stepping up in different moments, and I think it's a full-on team effort. Like, I could not do anything what I do without everyone out there. So it's just really exciting, and that's what's going to help us carry on in the semis and hopefully the finals.
Thank you. And for Gohan, you had 17 excellent sets in this game. As team captain, gano'n ka lang din proud sa pinarform ng team now that you guys are heading into your first ever semifinals?
Super proud, syempre, kasi first time din naman talaga namin. And also, kita mo naman na lahat talaga gusto makapasok sa mga semis. So, ayun lang, happy and proud sa progress ng team.
Thank you. For some question.
For Coach and Global since last year na din. Ano lang yung masasabi mo sa naging growth ng team na ngayon first time nasa semifinals na ng team na binukod nyo since last year?
Mahirap talaga pag kulang yung pieces. So this year, nilagdagan talaga kami. And then, nasa first six nga yung dalawang rookies natin. So malaking tulong. And ayun, happy kami na gano'n.
Same lang with Coach Jerry, yung addition ni AC, ni Riza, ni Adelay, and also ni Ana. Sobrang laking bagay din talaga. And Ate Fiona. So, ayun, siguro mag-work. Maganda din to para sa amin, para mag-ready para sa next conference. So, ayun.
For Ana, when you join the team, obviously it's still a young team on the rise. Did you ever see it from the start that you'd be able to make a push in the playoffs as it was happening?
I didn't hear that last part. Sorry, what was the last part?
Did you think that Zeus Coffee would make a playoff push as deep as it is?
Okay. Obviously, I tried to follow before I got here and kind of get a little background of how they've done in the past. And obviously, I knew they had some new pieces, some new players. So I really had no expectations. I don't think we did either coming into this. So it's been really awesome just to kind of see how we're going to do it and see how great of a start we had carrying that into the tournament.
And Coach, last year na po yung number one team kayo sa draft. Then ngayon, first time dito sa semifinals. Mananaro na nila po siguro a few things kung bakit parang napabilis din siguro yung paghanap ng Zeus Coffee. Ano yung mga main factors?
Pag tama yung pieces, pag tama yung na-pick mo, di syempre, malaking tulong. So hindi yung kuha ka lang ng kuha, then, diba, hindi mo magamit. So, mas mahirap yun. So, swerte kami na nakuha namin yung mga kailangan namin ipuno sa roster. So, we're very lucky.
At Ana and Flo, how do you guys prepare mentally, especially these games are winner go matches?
Yeah, I think we could celebrate for a few more hours, then I think we could change our focus to Thursday, and it's going to be tough no matter who the opponent is. So we've just been taking it one game at a time this whole season, so we're going to do exactly that and not get ahead of ourselves and focus on what we can do whoever we play next.
Ako talaga, personally, sabi ko sa kanila, enjoy lang namin yung game, and then sumunod na kami sa system, and then sa instruction ng coaches, lahat naman yung mag-follow.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Thank you.